Are you planning to start a winter art challenge? I want to tell you that there's a right way and a wrong way. You might think that just to white knuckle yourself through the winter months and do a 75 hard challenge is gonna help you change who you are. But the truth of the matter is that the winter art challenge is a springboard to start changing your mindset and to start the idea of becoming someone new. Now, here's the drawback about looking at it through blinders and thinking that a winter art challenge, 90 days, you're gonna be a brand new person before the New Year's hit. That only is going to happen if you know how to create new habits that are going to create a new identity. If you decide to take on this winter art challenge, this viral trend that everybody wants to jump on, which I think is great, but if you're just jumping on and thinking that your habits are going to change overnight, I want to give you a rude awakening. I want you to think about this. One of the rules of the Winter Art Challenge is to wake up in the morning 5 o'clock. That means that you got to go to sleep early, to wake up early, and then force yourself to go to the gym, which you haven't worked out this whole year. So I just want to give you like an insight tip on how difficult this is by you trying to white knuckle yourself to create new habits. Number one, your body has a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that when it's not dialed in, is out of sort. So, if you're someone that goes to sleep late, let's just say 12 o'clock at night, but before you go to sleep, you have a glass of wine, you overeat, right? So now, you're not gonna have restful REM sleep, you're gonna have interrupted sleep. So your internal clock, circadian rhythm is off. But now, winter arc, I wanna change. I gotta get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. You're gonna go to sleep at 12. You're gonna get up at 5. The likelihood that that's going to happen is very slim. Because you cannot change overnight. You could start the process of change, but a drastic way of doing it, number one, you're gonna wind up quitting sooner than what you thought you were going to go. Secondly, you're gonna wind up hurting yourself. And I'm gonna tell you why. When someone wants to make a change, drastic change, 90 days, your body and your mind is deconditioned. So what does that mean? Okay, you want to work out, you want to get in shape, you want to lose 50 pounds, you want to get big, you want to get lean, you want to get ripped, all that. Your body's deconditioned. When was the last time you did push-ups? When was the last time you got 10,000 steps? When was the last time you had a good full body workout? And I want you to think about that. Because if that was a while ago, that means your body is deconditioned. Forcing the body, white knuckling the body, submitting the body in a chokehold. Yo, we're gonna go get it. We're gonna get in shape, B. You're gonna wind up hurting yourself, injuring yourself, getting discouraged, and realizing, I knew I couldn't do this. I thought I could jump on the trend. Second, your mind is deconditioned. What does that mean, Lewis? Let me break it down for you. Until this winter arc challenge, woohoo, let's change. You haven't developed steady habits. Going to sleep early, drinking at least 8 glasses of water, right? 8-ounce glasses of water a day, eating 3 healthy meals that has your macros, protein, carbohydrates, fat, getting in 10,000 steps, following through with what you say you're going to do. That means that whatever you start, you finish. That is called a deconditioned mind. How do we recondition our mind and recondition our body so we could sustain this winter arc challenge, which supposed to be just 90 days? It started in October, and then by the time the ball drops, you're unrecognizable. How do we do that, Lewis? I'm gonna tell you how. I created a powerful program. It's called Reset Your Mindset. And I said it was busy entrepreneurs, professionals, visionaries. But now this winter arc challenge, listen, Reset Your Mindset is truly about creating a new identity. An identity that when you follow my MC formula, which is 6 pillars, you will then be unrecognizable. Because these pillars work your body, your mind, and your spirit. And when you have those pillars working together, now, my friends, you have created a brand new identity. And this winter arc springboard challenge will stick. Because MC Formula is about creating a daily ritual, a ritual of success that you do every day. You don't do it 3 days a week and think that you're gonna change. You don't do it 5 days and then you take the weekends off and then you go have brunch with your friends and have unlimited mimosas. You don't do that. Now, you could indulge. You could have your favorite meal. You could have a drink or two if you're drinking. But when you have my formula on how to create lasting change, now, my friends, this winter arc challenge could then be a springboard. So here's what you're gonna do. I want you to download my free guide on how to conquer self-doubt, imposter syndrome, insecurities. This guide is going to really help you to start conditioning your body, right? Then I want you to be ready to join my Reset Your Mindset program that is going to launch Thanksgiving Day weekend. And in this program, I'm going to teach you how to create a new identity by having all the pillars working in unison. So after you watch this video, I want you to watch the playlist on Reset Your Mindset program, and you're going to learn about my MC formula. And then anybody that you know that wants to change and is ready to have a radical metamorphosis transformation, make sure to share this video, because I am here as your guide to really show you what it means to go through a powerful, radical, long-lasting transformation. Not a trend, not put your head down, don't talk to me, blinders, I don't want to talk to nobody. My friends, we are social beings. Going through a transformation, a metamorphosis, you have to be able to ground yourself in your energy, in your essence, and do not let life pull you, distract you, interfere with your focus, with your intensity, with your intent. But if you don't have a formula, you don't have a plan, and you're just grabbing from a TikTok video, from social media, from somebody over here, this person is doing gratitude journal. No. Listen to somebody that's a professional, that's an expert in the field of mind, body, and spirit. 30 years, I'm 56 years young. I'm speaking from experience. I walk it and I talk it. So you're gonna get the right formula. When you follow this formula and you follow this daily ritual, I'm telling you, you will be unrecognizable, 100%. So I'm excited that you're watching this video. Make sure to watch the playlist. And in 2 weeks, this beautiful, incredible program will be launched. In the meantime, I'll be doing a masterclass. It's going to be on YouTube, or it's going to be on one of my Zoom channels. But stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Like, comment. Let me know your biggest takeaway. And listen, I'm excited for you that you decided to make a change, which is awesome. I'm all for that. Especially that you're doing it before the new year. But if you're gonna do that, then you wanna do it the right way. You don't want to do it haphazardly. So then when life happens and you have a drastic upset in your life, like a breakup, a divorce, a financial crisis, an injury, you lose a loved one, God forbid. Everything that I just mentioned is what we call life happens to all of us. We're not exempt. But when you white knuckle a trend and you haven't ground yourself, body, mind, and spirit, focus, you're not going to be able to then respond calmly, poise, focus on what just occurred in your life. Because part of creating a new identity is also knowing how to exercise your emotions. Emotions are very, very powerful. If you're not in tune with your emotions, then when you get this incredible body and something happens to you, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna revert back to your old you, because it wasn't a lasting change of identity. It was superficial. But now, when you have the formula and now you're grounded and you're tapped into your essence, your personal power, whatever life brings to you, you will be present and you will face it head on. And that's the power of my Reset Your Mindset, the MC formula. So, watch the playlist. Stay tuned for my next announcement so you could jump on Q&A masterclass. We're going deep. I'm taking everybody that's ready to make a lasting change. Let's get after this. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.